reviews, guys. The Synapse 170 by Prism Kites. It's a dual string airfoil kite, and the entire thing fits in this little bag. Today we're going to take it out of the box, take it out of the bag. We're going to show you what's in here, and we're gonna go fly it later. So stay tuned. All right, hopefully you don't mind my beautiful tablecloth here. We're gonna go ahead and take the Prism Synapse 170 out of the little pouch here and show you what we got. So just first things first, I mean, the actual pouch itself feels very good quality. It's very bright and vibrant, just like the kite itself. And I really cannot wait to fly this thing. I've flown trick kites before, but they've always had poles on them. This one is foil kite, so it doesn't have holes to it. So that's the whole thing. This is the whole kite right here. So it's really compact. First thing you're greeted with is the nice strings. So this is how you specifically fold them. We've got our handles here as well. It's already all tied up, so I mean, it really is ready to go. Here we go. We're just gonna go ahead and fold it. And all right, so that's the kite. And now what we're gonna do, we'll take the strings out, and I'll show you how this all works once we have the kites out and we have all the strings set up.
Much better.
Port Tabor, south end of New Bedford.
How do you like it so far?
I love it. It's very good. Like I said, it's not making enough noise. I wish it had like a little meow, meow. Thanks for watching G Reviews, guys. This is the Synapse 170 centimeter foil kite from Prism. I give it a 5 out of 5. It's great value. The quality seems very, very good. And it's just a lot of fun. And it's super compact. I think that's probably the biggest draw to it. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more great content. And we will see you on the next video. Stay safe out there and take care, guys. Bye-bye.